Money raw, yeah, I'm looking at the bank, say miss, I do not want to chill, yeah, nuts with my gang, you be just a stain, cover on my chain.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are having a great day as usual. So for this video, guys, I'm going to be reacting to a scene from Mad Max Fury Road, and the scene that I'm reacting to is the Sandstorm scene, so let's jump right into the clip. We'll have a little discussion after. Let's go!
Bye-bye to the neck! Together! We're going in, Flynn! What a day! What a lovely day! I am the man who grabs the sun! Riding to Valhalla! Disney Bloody! Winners! What? I live, I die, I live again!
Guys, great scene there. Amazing stuff. Just such a beautiful looking movie. Probably the best looking movie of the last decade. No doubt in my mind about that. Overall, a great movie. They are doing a sequel to it coming up, just about Furiosa. So that's going to be interesting to watch, but just a goddamn beautiful movie to look at. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video because it helps the channel and the video grow a lot, guys. But I'm going to wrap it up, so take care of yourself. Stay safe because it's a crazy world and there are a lot of crazy people. But most importantly, guys, you already know by now. Peace.